Venture into the heart of the ancient woods, where sunlight struggles to pierce the canopy and silence should reign supreme. But here, silence is a fragile thing, easily shattered by the unknown. They begin subtly, then grow, not the call of birds or the rustle of leaves. These are sounds that defy nature, mechanical groans, metallic screeches, whispers that seem to come from everywhere and nowhere at once. Hikers report a chilling dread, a sense of being watched. Scientists arrive with equipment, hoping to record, to analyze, but the sounds evade capture, appearing and disappearing without pattern, leaving experts with no explanation. What lurks beneath the roots? What echoes through the timeless trees? The forest holds its breath, guarding secrets far older than humanity. And the sounds continue, a haunting reminder that some mysteries may never be solved.